Why law? When I asked this question, some of the students cite popular TV show Suits as their inspiration. However, the legal landscape has evolved, moving away from cliched notions like Kanun Andha Hai and Tariq Pe Tariq dialogue of Sunny Deol movie. Enter the relatable drama of latest Netflix series Mamla Legal Hai, which portrays human side of legal proceedings. Law can be complex, but lately it seems everyone has become an armchair lawyer. The entire nation engaged in discussions about abrogation of Article 370. Hi, I'm Shilpa, and this video is about law as a career straight after school. This is for all those passionate teenagers who want to make a difference in the field of law. Now, come across really bright students taking law as a career choice. Today, more people are aware about the high salary drawn by the top lawyers and judges. Why law? This is a question asked in the Symbiosis personal interview when a student cleared the Symbiosis law entrance exam. Usually, I've seen students who are MUN participants veering towards law as a career. Many a time, there are students who want to make changes in the laws around us, and that's why they choose this as a career. We've also seen people moving into politics after doing law, like Barack Obama, Arun Jaitley, or Jawaharlal Nehru. In fact, some of my students are clear that law gives you that power, the authority. So as a judge, the respect you command, or as a lawyer, the kind of power surge you get saving someone's life. So this could be various reasons. You need to find your own reason on why you want to pursue law as a career. The different paths to pursue law. For students who are absolutely clear to pursue law as a career, you can straight away take the entrance exam after your school, which is CLAT, SLAT, Maharashtra CT, AILET, and LSAT. So through this entrance exam, you can straight away take admissions in the integrated 5-year program, which could be a BA LLB or a BCom LLB or BBA LLB. Now, this is a 5-year proper law program. For students who are not yet sure about pursuing law as a career, can go through the regular UG course, which could be a bachelor's degree in psychology, commerce, arts, or in fact BTech. So after the regular UG program, you can do the 3-year LLB program after that. The only difference is here you would take around 6 to 7 years to complete your degree. The best example would be the prominent lawyer Jai Sai Deepak, who practices both in High Court and Supreme Court. Now he did his BTech and then did the 3-year LLB program from IIT Kharagpur. What is CLAT? The Common Law Admission Test is a centralized nationwide entrance exam to admissions to the prestigious 24 national law universities in India. Now, CLAT serves as a gateway for both undergraduate as well as postgraduate law program in the NLUs. Now, NLUs have got the same status in legal education, just like we have IIT for engineering, AIMS for medicine, and IIMS for the management education. So who can take CLAT? Students, those who have completed class 12 or are in class 12. Minimum 45% marks are needed in class 12 board exams. There is no higher age limit to take CLAT and no restrictions in the number of attempts to take CLAT. Now, which college accepts CLAT score? There are 24 NLUs in India which consider CLAT scores. NLU Tripura, NLU Meghalaya, and JNLU Silvassa are the new NLUs. CLAT scores are also taken by colleges like Bennett, MET, IIM Rohtak, UPES Dehradun, to name a few. NLSIU Bangalore, Nalsar Hyderabad, NLIU Bhopal, NLU Calcutta, and NLU Jodhpur. Now, it's very important to know the Law UG program calendar. So your December would be booked for CLAT and AILET in the middle of your class 12. LSAT happens twice, that is in the month of January and May. Now the other exams like SLAT, Maharashtra CT, CUET, happens in the month of May, which is after your board exam. Which other law exams are there in India for UG programs? So you have AILET, LSAT India, SLAT, CUET, Maharashtra CET. AILET is an exam you take to get admission into the integrated 5-year program with NLU Delhi. LSAT scores are taken by more than 50 colleges in India, including Jindal Global Law School in Sonipat, School of Law UPS Dehradun, Kirit P. Mehta School of Law, Mumbai, Asim Premji University, Bangalore. The SLAT scores are taken by the colleges with symbiosis, which has campuses in Pune, Noida, Hyderabad, and Nagpur. The top 10 law colleges as per NIRF ranking, other than the NLUs, are the top universities accepting CUET score for their law programs in India are Banaras Hindu University, which has both 3-year LLB and integrated 5-year LLB. Delhi University has only the 3-year LLB program. Allahabad University has both the programs. BML Munjal, UPES Dehradun, Lovely Professional University, MET University, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. The law colleges with affordable fees in India are Faculty of Law BHU, NLU Delhi, NLU Raipur, NLU Gujarat, GLC Mumbai, and ILS Pune. So what is a CLAT paper format? Now, CLAT is an offline paper which happens in the month of December. Maximum marks to 120. Now, the exam is for 2 hours. And it is a multiple choice question constituting of 120 questions where you are awarded 1 marks for each right answer and minus 0.25 for every wrong answer. The application fees is rupees 4,000. There are 5 sections in the CLAT, which constitutes of English, current affairs, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. When should you start preparing for CLAT? Ideally, you should start CLAT preparation immediately after your class 10 board exam. So by in class 11, you would have sufficient time to take the mocks and make sure that your gray areas or the gap areas is covered. Now remember, CLAT as well as AILET happens in December, in the middle of your class 12, before you take the board exams. So it would be important that you finish the syllabus right in class 11 when you have relatively less stress compared to class 12 board exams. Now remember, all the questions in CLAT are in the form of reading comprehension passages. So it's really important that you cultivate a reading habit and your vocabulary is also sorted. Let's go through the career option after completing law degree. You can join corporate entity as a legal analyst. You can join as a legal advisor to assist companies with legal decisions. Pursuing an MBA can open doors to well-paid positions. Advocate. Aspirants must qualify the exam conducted by All India Bar Council to practice nationwide. Judiciary. Join the judicial machinery by becoming judge or magistrate. This path requires passing rigorous judicial exam. Government services. You can consider joining government service roles which include legislative counsel in legislative department and legal advisors in Department of Legal Affairs. You also have the option which include research work or pursuing an LLM or PhD in fields like international law, constitutional law, labor law, cyber law, family law. Legal advisor, serving in law firms, private companies, corporate firms, or banks. Politician. Studying law teaches you to construct arguments, think critically, and challenge policy, all valuable skills for a career in politics. Some of the myths about law entrance exams are: you need exceptional math skill. Now, CLAT mathematics is testing you on very basic maths concepts like percentage, ratio, geometry, the topics which you have done in your middle school. So you need to be very strong in your basic maths, and the questions asked are of very easy level. Only thing is that you have to practice and get that kind of speed which is needed in this particular test. Coaching classes are mandatory for top ranks. Coaching classes are absolutely not needed if you are a disciplined student who can take mocks regularly. So the whole idea is if you take mocks regularly and you are able to diagnose your mock. Now you can join the test series of the coaching classes, as that gives you a very good idea where you stand among other students across India. If you can't crack JEE, NEET, CA, then only you should consider CLAT. Now, don't treat CLAT just as another backup options other than your IT, JEE, NEET, CA entrance exam. Because CLAT exam need proper practice. It's not easy to go through the reading comprehension based caselets in that 2 hours. So you need sufficient practice. You need to take a lot of mocks to be able to get a good rank. You should apply only in NLUs. Now, NLUs are not the only colleges which offer very good law programs. There are colleges like OP Jindal, Symbiosis, GLC Bombay, ILS Pune and all, which are way better than the lower ranked NLUs. Around 62,000 students took CLAT for around 3,000 seats in the NLUs. Remember, it is just not the NLUs. There are colleges which offer law programs, for example, your private universities and your central universities also. In fact, Symbiosis have another 1,000 seats. So there are a lot of options for students who plan to take law as a career. The only hitch is that we are trying to get into the best possible college, because over here, the mood codes, the alumni group, everything matters. So here's my best wishes for all the law aspirants. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment. I'll definitely get back to you. I have also attached my interview with NLSIU Bangalore convert Areeb in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you.